Look at this. You're sitting in front of your computer and looking at the screen, and you see the website google.com, and you're searching for cat videos and whatnot, right? Funny pranks and all that things. But all that things is making you no money. Sure, it's entertaining, but it's not making you money. So what to do about it? So I have come up with a strategy that will make you money from Google. And so let's get started with that strategy. Before we get started with the strategy, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this and more videos on business strategies and techniques to earn money, as well as mindset videos, right? And one other thing, if you want to earn life-changing amount, right, from your home, right, it's the system is already built, and there is it's automatic. You can earn while you are in sleep. If you want to do that, check out the first link in the description below, and I will share all the details in that link. Alright, so let's get started with the video. So here we are on niceandhandygoogle.com. Before I get started with the strategy, uh, I'll tell you that I will be sharing this strategy step by step so that you'll get the maximum benefit from it. So make sure not to skip any part of the video. Alright, so now what I want you to do is search this keyword on Google Listverse. So this is the website that I was talking about, Listverse. So what this website is for writing articles, right? And yeah, so any person can submit article over here. They do not need any experience whatsoever, and yeah, so they can publish their article and get paid, right? So how do they get paid? They get paid by Google. You see over here, these are Google ads, right? And this is what is funding the website, kind of, right, showing these ads to the viewers, right? And you are going to be an article writer, right? So don't get scared. You're not going to be writing the whole article from scratch. I will be sharing a technique to get started with it. And yeah, you can, if you just put 20 to 30 minutes of your day, you can easily earn around $100 to $200, even $300, right? And that's about 21,000 rupees in Indian currency, right? So it is a smart strategy. So don't skip the video, keep following what I have to say, right? So it's very simple, actually. No experience is required. Now also, this website is about top 10 of something. So here you can see the headlines of the article, that top 10 misconceptions about London, right? Whatever it is. So this website is mostly focused on this type of articles, so we are going to be making this type of article. What I want you to do is go to the end of the website and click on over here, write and get paid. You get paid $100, right? And you have the chance to win $1,000 as well if your article gets featured on the front page. And it's very simple, just you need to submit your article. And yeah, also you don't have to include any pictures and video in it, because they'll do it for you. You just need to write the content, and that makes it simpler for you, right? And it only accepts PayPal, so you need to have a PayPal account. There is no negotiations there. Over here it is written like that. And one other thing is that, most people don't get their article accepted because they are not following the strategy, or they are you know creating the stuff from scratch, which may not engage the audience, right? So that is why this technique is going to be very simple, putting 20 to 30 minutes to earn this much amount of money, right? So don't get scared of this. You will not be writing the article from scratch, and I will be sharing this technique now. Okay, so step number one is to get content for your article. And this website called Articles Factory is a good place to start. Over here you can see all these articles over here. These all articles are copyright free, and that means that you can directly pick the articles from here and use it as your own article elsewhere. But the catch is you cannot directly copy the whole thing and post it in Listverse, because they are going to see that you copied from here. So instead I will be sharing a tool to rephrase the sentences and make it your own, right? So it's easy, it's an automatic tool, so you don't have to do it anything about it. Just copy paste the entire paragraph and it will automatically convert it into a different sentence with same meaning, right? Now getting done with that, now what you need to select is the niche, right? So you need to focus your articles on any of these particular niche. What I believe is that the articles with health, family and entertainment, right? Because all of these articles are like trending right now, and yeah, there are a lot of viewers for these articles, so it is more likely that your article will get accepted by listwords, right? So check out these sections, right? You can click on, as you can see over here, there are many articles on health, and here you can see weight loss tips, what's your best weight loss program, right? So all these articles are very trendy, and what you have to do is just copy this, right? Just copy the headline. Yeah, so here you can see there are 26 weight loss tips, right? You can get on this website and get a few tips on how to you know reduce weight, right? So eat eggs for breakfast, drink coffee, preferably black, drink green tea. All these tips, you are going to select two from each site, right? So this is the first site that you searched on Google. Now what you need to do is pick two tips from this website and pick another two tips from this website, and then post it on your final print, right? So right now this is how you get the ideas, right? So this is one website, this is other website, the same website but different tips, right? Eat protein, fat and vegetables, right? So yeah, there are lots of websites there where you can get these tips, and this is what it is about. This is where you are using google.com to you know find out the content of your article, and what you need to do is copy those tips and paste it in your article. So let's get started with what you have to do. So go to Google Docs, Google Docs, and yeah, once you go to Google Docs, you can click on blank, and there you are. Now you get this untitled document, and you can write anything over here, right? So 10 tips to lose weight. Now what I need you to do is copy the headline of the article from Articles Factory, right? And yeah, paste it over here, so that will be your headline, right? And now, as I told you, you go to different websites over here, mentioned over here, right? And just copy the tips, right? So drink water before meals, just copy it, right? And format it a bit, and then yeah, copy these, right? Just format it a bit. After formatting a bit, your article might look like this. Maybe you need to format a bit more, right? And as for the trusted source, you can get it from this website itself. They say which is the trusted source, so you can copy these links if you want, right? Now now like this, you'll collect all the points from Google itself, right? And there is one other website which can help you to find out more articles. This is Esign Articles, right? So again, this is a website where you can get the article um, copyright free. And yeah, so again, you need to focus on home and family, health and fitness, and entertainment kind of niche. And then yeah, you can directly select from here that health and fitness, anaerobic cardio, right? Arthritis, you can write an article on that, whatever it is, right? So top 10 you can do, and you can find each and every topic from this, right? Now the cool thing is it requires really less time, and you can get a lot of ideas from this website, and all you need to do is just copy paste the title of the article and search it on Google and find that article and just paste that tip in your document. Right now, what you need to do, another thing, is to get that written text paraphrased, right? So do not skip the video, it is the most important step, because this will help you to get your article accepted, because you cannot directly copy paste it, or you can do it, change the thing manually, but I have a tool which will help you with that. So go to that article, right, and you have this right over here. So you copy this and go to prepostseo.com, as you can see the name over here. And what this is, it is a tool to, you know, get your article rephrased, and yeah, so it will look like a different article. So what you need to do is simply paste the text over here, right, whatever text you have copied from the article, and just click on this button down below, paraphrase. And what it does is it rewrites the article into something else. And yeah, so it is very good. This tool is very good, and yeah, you just need to check it once if you want to, but 98% of the time it is very correct, whatever it has rephrased it. So it's very good, right? And now you can just copy this and paste it in your document, right? And you get a different article altogether. I mean, the wordings are very different, although the meaning is same. So this is what it is about, right? So that was paraphrasing. You can just switch out the text with something which means the same, right? So that was the method, right? So you can write n number of articles, lots of articles, right? It's very simple. It just only takes 10 to 20 minutes to research everything, and you can do 2 3 4 regularly, right? So it might happen that you might not get your article accepted on the first day, because the process takes a bit time. But don't get discouraged to this, and if hardly takes a lot of time, and if it gets selected, you can earn 100, 200, or $300, like out of 10 articles. If 3 articles get selected, you'll earn $300. And yeah, it's pretty much basic, and you don't have to think about it much, right? Just copy paste this and paraphrase it and just submit it to Listverse. Now I'll show you how to submit the article. Go to listverse.com, right? And I'm already here. Now go to the bottom of this website and click on submit a list. And there you go. Now you can submit your document Word file, right? So you need to enter all your details. You need to enter your full name, email address, PayPal address, right? So yeah, so you need to have a PayPal address, you cannot skip that part. And author blurb, you can write something about yourself, so that it will be more appealing to the editors to select your article, right? And your top 10 list. Over here you can write the list article title, and introduction to your list, something like this, right? So it's kind of like introductory small paragraph kind of thing. And then your full content over here. 2200 words is best, all right. So do that, and then you can agree to the terms and condition and submit the list, right? And then yeah, they'll approve it and you'll get the payment, right? So you can do n number of article submissions in a day. That means you can submit 10 articles, 100 articles, whatever articles, right? Whatever is physically possible, but there is no such limit, right? If you have some free time to kill, you might as well use it over here and earn some money to go by, right? So but if you want a strategy to work automatically even while you are on sleep, just click on the first link in the description down below. It is an automatic system that that will make you money even while you are in sleep. All right, so I will mention all the details on the link itself, right? And make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and hit that like button, right? And also follow me on Medium. I will be posting new articles about entrepreneurship in general, and yeah, that will be really helpful if you want to become an online entrepreneur full time, right? So go check out my Medium as well. I will be posting the link down below. All right then, so this is the end of the video. See you until next time.